Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of human organs. Get ready to be amazed by these fascinating facts. It's truly astonishing when you stop and think about what's happening inside you right this very second. We go about our days, often completely unaware of the complex machinery working tirelessly to keep us alive and functioning. From the intricate network of neurons firing in our brains to the silent, steady beat of our hearts, our organs are the unsung heroes of our existence. This journey we're about to embark on will shed light on some of the most mind-blowing capabilities of these internal powerhouses. We'll explore feats of regeneration, immense filtering capacities, and sensory perceptions that almost seem like science fiction. Understanding these facts isn't just about accumulating trivia, it's about fostering a deeper appreciation for the marvel that is the human body. It's about recognizing the delicate balance and extraordinary design that allows us to experience life. So buckle up as we explore 10 truly astounding facts that highlight the sheer brilliance of our organs. I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll look at your own body with a newfound sense of wonder and respect. Let's get started on this incredible exploration and uncover some of the secrets hidden within us, secrets that make each and every one of us a walking, talking miracle of biology. First up, let's talk about the command center of your entire body, the human brain. This organ is, without a doubt, one of the most complex structures known to science. It's estimated to contain approximately 86 billion neurons, which are specialized cells that transmit nerve impulses. Think about that number for a second. 86 billion. These neurons form trillions of connections, creating an intricate network responsible for your thoughts, memories, emotions, and every single action you take. It's the supercomputer that runs the entire show, processing information at incredible speeds and allowing us to learn, adapt, and interact with the world. Despite its relatively small size, typically weighing about 3 pounds, the brain consumes a disproportionate amount of energy, around 20% of the body's total energy, even when you're resting. This energy is crucial for maintaining those billions of neurons and their constant communication. From deciphering the words you're hearing right now to coordinating the muscles that allow you to blink or breathe, the brain's workload is immense and never-ending. It's a truly remarkable piece of biological engineering, and scientists are still uncovering its many mysteries and capabilities every single day, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Next, we have an organ with an almost superpower-like ability, the liver. Did you know that the liver is the only internal organ in the human body that can regenerate itself? It's true. Even if a significant portion of it, up to 75%, is removed due to disease or injury, the remaining liver tissue can grow back to its full original size. This incredible feat of regeneration is vital, considering the liver's crucial roles in our body. It's like having a built-in repair system for one of your most essential components, ensuring it can bounce back from considerable damage. This regenerative capacity is a testament to the liver's importance. It performs over 500 vital functions, including detoxifying chemicals, metabolizing drugs, producing bile to aid digestion, and making proteins essential for blood clotting. When it regenerates, it's not just growing in size, it's restoring its full functional capacity. This process is complex, involving the proliferation of existing liver cells called hepatocytes. Understanding how the liver achieves this remarkable self-repair could unlock new treatments for liver diseases and even other organ damage, making it a hot topic in medical research. Let's move on to an organ that we see every day but often don't think of as an organ: our skin. The skin is, in fact, the largest organ of the human body. If you were to lay it out flat, it would cover an average area of about 20 square feet, which is roughly the size of a small rug. This extensive organ serves as our primary protective barrier against the outside world, shielding us from pathogens, harmful UV radiation, and physical injury. It's our first line of defense, a resilient and adaptable covering that encases our entire body. But the skin is much more than just a simple covering. It's a complex system with multiple layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, each with specific functions. It helps regulate our body temperature through sweating and blood flow adjustments. It allows us to sense touch, pressure, pain, and temperature through a vast network of nerve endings, and it even plays a role in synthesizing vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Its ability to heal itself from cuts and scrapes is also a marvel, constantly renewing and repairing to maintain its integrity. It's a dynamic, living shield that is crucial for our survival and well-being. Chapter 4. The unceasing rhythm, the hard-working heart. Now, let's talk about the tireless engine of our body, the heart. This incredible muscular organ beats approximately 100,000 times every single day. That's over 35 million beats in a year. With each beat, it pumps blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell and tissue, while also carrying away waste products. Over the course of a day, your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood. To put that into perspective, that's enough to fill up a small tanker truck. It's an absolutely staggering amount of work for an organ roughly the size of your fist. The heart's relentless rhythm is essential for life. It's part of the circulatory system, a vast network of arteries, veins and capillaries that, if laid end to end, would stretch for over 60,000 miles. This intricate system ensures that no part of your body is left unnourished or uncleansed. The coordination of its 4 chambers, the precise opening and closing of its valves, and the electrical impulses that govern its beat are all part of a beautifully orchestrated process that continues from before birth until our very last moment. It truly is a marvel of endurance and efficiency. Chapter 5. The winding road, the lengthy small intestine. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer length of our next organ, the small intestine. While it's called small, that term refers to its diameter, not its length. The small intestine is, on average, about 22 feet long. That's roughly 4 times your height. It's coiled up neatly within your abdomen, but if you were to stretch it out, its incredible length would become apparent. This makes it the longest organ in our digestive system, playing a pivotal role in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It's a long and winding road that our food takes after leaving the stomach. The inner surface of the small intestine is not smooth. It's covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller microvilli on those. These structures vastly increase the surface area available for nutrient absorption, making it incredibly efficient. If you could flatten out all these folds and projections, the total surface area of the small intestine would be about the size of a tennis court. This massive area ensures that we can extract the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins from the food we eat, fueling our bodies and keeping us healthy. Chapter 6. A symphony of scents, the astounding nose. Let's delve into one of our most evocative senses and the organ responsible for it, the human nose. While we often take our sense of smell for granted, the human nose is an incredibly sophisticated piece of biological equipment. It's estimated that the human nose can detect and distinguish over 1 trillion different scents. That's a far cry from the older estimates of just 10,000. This vast olfactory capability allows us to perceive a rich tapestry of aromas, from the sweet scent of a blooming flower to the warning smell of smoke, playing a crucial role in our enjoyment of food and our awareness of the environment. This remarkable ability is thanks to specialized sensory cells called olfactory receptors, located in a small patch of tissue high up inside the nasal cavity. When odor molecules enter your nose, they bind to these receptors, sending signals to your brain, which then interprets them as specific smells. What's even more fascinating is the strong link between our sense of smell and our memories and emotions. A particular scent can instantly transport you back to a childhood memory or evoke a strong emotional response, all thanks to the direct connections the olfactory system has with the brain's limbic system, which governs emotion and memory. Now, let's explore the powerful digestive organ that is our stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac that plays a crucial role in breaking down the food we eat, using strong acids and enzymes. But here's a fascinating fact. The stomach produces a new layer of mucus approximately every 2 weeks. Why does it do this? To prevent itself from digesting itself. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metals. So, without this protective mucus barrier, the stomach lining would be quickly eroded by its own potent digestive juices. This constant renewal of the mucus layer is a remarkable feat of self-preservation. The cells lining the stomach work tirelessly to secrete this thick, alkaline mucus, which neutralizes the acid at the surface of the lining. This creates a delicate balance, allowing the stomach to perform its digestive duties, churning food, mixing it with acid and enzymes like pepsin to break down proteins without causing itself harm. It's a dynamic and highly regulated environment, ensuring that digestion is efficient and, importantly, safe for the organ itself. Any disruption to this mucus barrier can lead to problems like ulcers, highlighting its critical protective role. Let's turn our attention to the incredible organs that allow us to perceive the world in vibrant detail. Our eyes. The human eye is a marvel of biological engineering, and one of its most astounding capabilities is its ability to distinguish colors. It's estimated that the human eye can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors and shades. This incredible sensitivity allows us to appreciate the rich tapestry of hues in a sunset, the subtle variations in a painting, or the vibrant colors of nature. Our world is visually rich thanks to the complexity of our eyes. This amazing feat is accomplished by specialized photoreceptor cells in the retina called cones. There are 3 types of cones, each sensitive to different wavelengths of light, roughly corresponding to red, green, and blue. The brain then processes the signals from these cones to perceive the full spectrum of colors. Beyond color, the eye can adjust to vastly different light intensities, focus on objects near and far, and provide us with depth perception. The intricate dance of the lens, iris, pupil, retina, and optic nerve working together to create vision is truly one of the body's most sophisticated processes. Next up are the unsung heroes of filtration in our body, the kidneys. These 2 bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, perform a colossal task every single day. Your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood daily. That's an enormous volume, equivalent to filtering your body's entire blood supply multiple times over. As they filter the blood, they remove waste products, excess water, and other impurities, which are then converted into urine. On average, they produce around 1 to 2 quarts of urine per day, effectively cleansing your system. But the kidneys do much more than just make urine. They play a vital role in maintaining overall fluid balance, regulating blood pressure by controlling salt and water levels, producing hormones that stimulate red blood cell production, and activating vitamin D for healthy bones. Each kidney contains about 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons, which work tirelessly. Without the diligent work of our kidneys, harmful toxins would quickly build up in our bloodstream, leading to serious health problems. They are truly master regulators and purifiers of our internal environment. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about an organ that might not always get the spotlight, but plays a crucial role in our health, the spleen. Located just under your ribcage on your left side, the spleen acts as a sophisticated blood filter. One of its primary jobs is to remove old or damaged red blood cells from circulation. Think of it as a quality control center for your blood, ensuring that only healthy, functional red blood cells are doing their job of carrying oxygen. It also recycles iron from these old cells, which can then be used to make new red blood cells. Beyond its filtering duties, the spleen is an important part of your immune system. It contains specialized white blood cells that help fight infection by identifying and destroying bacteria and other pathogens that enter the bloodstream. It also acts as a reservoir for blood and platelets, which can be released in case of an emergency, like significant blood loss. While you can live without your spleen, people who have had it removed are more susceptible to certain infections, highlighting its protective contributions to our overall health and defense mechanisms. It's a quiet guardian working behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing facts about human organs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Stay healthy and curious. It's truly humbling to realize the sheer complexity and efficiency packed within each of us. These 10 facts are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the wonders of human anatomy and physiology. Our organs work in concert, a symphony of biological processes that allow us to live, learn, and experience the world. I hope this journey through some of our body's most incredible features has given you a new appreciation for what's happening inside you right now. Taking care of these organs through healthy lifestyle choices, good nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and avoiding harmful substances is the best way to thank them for their tireless work. The more we understand about our bodies, the better equipped we are to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. So keep asking questions, keep learning, and keep marveling at the intricate design of the human body. There's always more to discover, and every new piece of knowledge can empower us. Let me know in the comments which fact surprised you the most, or if there's another organ you'd love to learn more about in a future video. Until next time, take care and stay inquisitive.